Hi and welcome back to the Friesen kitchen. I'm Annika and today I'm going to take you along and show you how to make a pavlova. This stunning dessert only needs a few ingredients and then we're going to fill it with a delicious mango curd, and I have a video for that up here, and then we're going to top it with some heavy cream and some fruits. So for the pavlova we are going to need 120 grams of room temperature egg whites, 200 grams of superfine sugar, 4 grams of cornstarch, a pinch of salt, and 5 grams of white vinegar. So first step, pour your egg whites into a standing mixer along with a pinch of salt. Then start whisking on a medium until you reach the medium stiff peak. So now you're going to put the speed back on and then you're going to slowly add the sugar. Don't rush it, add it very slow. This will take you a couple minutes. But keep adding it until everything is in there. In between I like to stop the mixer and scrape down the sides to get the sugar all in there. Now turn the speed up to high and whisk for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the egg whites have reached a stiff peak. Now I'm going to add the vinegar and fold it gently in. And then I sift in the cornstarch and gently mix it in as well. At this point, it's very important to not overmix the batter. Just go a couple times around the bowl and then you're ready to go. Next, I'm using a plate to draw a 6-inch circle on a piece of parchment paper. I like to use it as a template. Now turn your parchment paper around and then take some batter to glue the parchment paper on the tray. Spread your egg white mixture on the circle and use a spatula to shape it. This dessert is named after a Russian ballerina, Anna Pavlova. So you could make like a tutu shape out of this, or you just leave it flat. And when you're done shaping, bake it at 250 for 1.5 hours. After baking, turn the oven off and leave it in the oven to cool. So the pavlova is all baked and it looks beautiful. Now I'm going to top it with our homemade mango curd, and then I have some whipped cream and some fruits, some strawberries and raspberries, and I'm going to show you how I cut the mango. So let's get started. So now I'm going to peel the mango and then I cut alongside the pit, then slice it thin and lay it out like a fan. So now I'm combining 1 cup of our homemade mango lemon curd with 1 cup of whipped cream. I gently stir it together and now we are ready to assemble. First off, cut the top off the pavlova. Then fill the gaps with our homemade mango lemon curd. Top it with some whipped cream. And last but not least, with some fresh mango, raspberries, and strawberries. This gorgeous pavlova is all done. It's almost too pretty to cut, but I want to show you the inside and I can't wait to try it. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!